Dividend Safety Check. You have to know if your dividend is safe. I saw an article about utility stocks and utilities ETF yielding over 5%. Utilities is one of the major 11 sectors of the economy. Take a look at Dominion Resources, well-known utility stocks in the Dow Jones Utilities Average, and it pays a dividend of just about 5%. The dividend is $2.67 a share. Stock is down a little over 12% this year. Here's the risk with just shopping for a dividend. The earnings per share is $1.44. The dividend is $2.67. The problem with this is that the earnings don't cover the dividend. So either you expect this company to make a lot more money or you expect the dividend to be cut. And my sense is it's a lot easier to cut the dividend. These companies have management who have to protect the company, not the shareholders' dividend. So you need to take a look at the dividend.